You look around and you look at some of the innovation, some of the way other industries or other areas of the industry are moving forward, and you can take those back and say, you know what, can I apply that into my world? How is that competition moving forward? So for me, it's absolutely fantastic to see what other people are doing.
We need exhibitions like this because how do you know what's out in the market? Nobody can know everything. And here you've got everything under one roof. Face-to-face is better than on the phone.
Nowadays with virtual media and all this sort of stuff, you can see products much clearer, but there's no substitute for actually coming down, touchy-feeling the products.
See the size of it, it's enormous, and it does bring together very small manufacturers or food processors or food producers through to people making very large-scale equipment for very large food businesses.
Here we have a range of exhibitors that offer all kinds of solutions in automation, but also in areas like hygiene and food safety, product development.
So easy to get sort of stuck in a rut and doing what you're doing, so I think you need to come along and just see new inspirations and hopefully help your business.
Well, having everything under one roof, we get a chance to have a stroll around other areas where we might even think about looking, but then something might pop up and we see that we actually are interested in.
People are so friendly and accommodating and willing to talk to you and give you the benefit of their experience and advice, so it's invaluable. It covers everything from fresh food to process to ingredients to machinery and equipment. It's a one-stop shop.
To talk to people over the phone, you're not really getting to see the products that are on offer, so it's probably a more efficient way of management time, actually getting to see things one after another.
We found more than what we needed. We found what we needed, plus there's more that we didn't know that was going to be here that's going to benefit and add value to our business.
Important part of the year to visit one of the best exhibitions.
It's a way that you can come to one place to see lots of things quite easily with easy access.
You can discuss your requirements, you can look for solutions, and face-to-face is always far more productive, I think, over other sorts of communication.
To see what's going on in the industry, see what new things is coming on the market and keep up to date with the technology and see what new equipment's available for us to use in the factory. I think it's important for the whole industry because it gets the people from the food processing and manufacturing together as a unit, and you meet up with other companies as well and have a chat to them, and we can discuss different ideas and what's happening in the market in the future with equipment and the food industry in general.
But I'm here just to see what's new in the industry, look at sealers, wrapping machines, and just find out what is new going forward for future projects.